Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about, in fact I'm gonna show you the Christmas in July, the biggest deal ever onto the Creative Fabrica, and we'll be looking at that deals and seeing how it can help as a print-on-demand seller to make more money and to get the cool graphics for your print-on-demand designs, and also for your KDP interiors if you want the cool graphics for your book cover or even for the interiors. So we're gonna hop over to our laptop at the back and we're gonna see the deals and all. So let's get started with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel because we'll be uploading more. And also we have a bunch of the free resources, the link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download all the freebies that we have. And make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding more each month. So let's go to our laptop and yes. The Creative Fabrica. Now when you just really going to land over to the Creative Fabrica website, you're gonna see the very first banner onto the Creative Fabrica website. That's the Christmas in July free craft bundle. Get this deal. I think the year selling onto the Creative Fabrica earlier back in the July of 2020. I for the very first time came across this new thing on the Creative Fabrica, that is Christmas in July, because they have so many deals and many good deals in this July, and there's kind of like celebrating the Christmas in the July, which I really like that from being a seller point of view as well, because you're gonna make more money, and also from a buyer perspective as well, because you're gonna get so many cool graphics, so many good things completely for free, or maybe a few bucks, like maybe at $1, and you're gonna get so many stuff from to the Creative Fabrica. So I really love that. So you're gonna see that Christmas is July free craft bundles. I'm gonna just click over to this, that is the get this deal, and we'll go. Okay, so Christmas in July, the free Christmas craft bundle. So if you are making a holiday gift for the Christmas of 2021 and you're preparing the KDP interior books, you want the graphics for that, then I think that this craft bundle is amazing. It's free guys, you don't need to pay for anything. You're gonna get 20 premium crafts, and it's only bundle will be gone in 31 days only. So guys, I'm gonna leave the link of this Creative Fabrica website in the description box below. I would really appreciate that if you click on my link and purchase something, because I would really get some commission out of it, because it's an affiliate link and you're gonna get the things at good price only. Like, you don't need to pay more, you just need to be paid what the actual price is, and I would be getting some commission in exchange of that as an affiliate to the Creative Fabrica. So I would really appreciate that if you just gonna click on the link in the description box below and go over to the Creative Fabrica and get something. Okay guys, now let's see. This free Christmas craft bundle is most wonderful time of the year. You can see the different types of premium bundles. So premium crafts, you can see mostly it's kind of like related to the Christmas. This is the happy holidays. The red and green color are main dominant colors. This one over here, and you can see these are quite cool. You're gonna get completely for free these 20 craft bundles in this Christmas craft bundle, which is set for July only. But if I'm just gonna go over to the discount deals, and we're gonna see the discount deals as well, because that's the biggest assets of the Creative Fabrica. And I really love the discount deals and the freebies. These two things I really love a lot guys. Okay, so this active discount deals are there, and get the best fonts and graphics for just $1. These deals have limited time availability. Make sure to grab them now so you don't miss it later on. So total value, so you can buy all at just $21 of all these all these pack, and if you're buying them individually, you just need to buy for $1, and it's applicable I think only for the 4 days, and then this deal will going to expire. So you can see the woodland animal watercolor clip art you're getting just at the $1. So it's kind of like a bundle. Another one over here, you're gonna see that 75 plus. If I'm just gonna click over to this, let me just click in 75 plus graphics and illustrations are there, and these are the animals, so these are pretty amazing. You're getting the complete 75 plus bundles at just $1, which I think is pretty amazing deal. Like these are quite like these are a little bit more detailed and realistic animal graphics, guys. You can really see out, like you can see all these are quite amazing graphics, and these are much more detailed. You can use it to make your own print on demand designs. I think it's a pretty amazing deal if you're looking for such kind of illustrations. Then big family clip art, it's another clip art pack. It's also for $1. So if I'm just gonna see, okay guys, it contains 64 individual PNG images, and you can see this kind of images are there in it. So it's much more detailed, and you can use it for creating your own projects. And it just costs $1. That's it. So these clip arts are pretty worth it at just price of $1. This is, I think, a font. Last stream. This is also the font. The 77 elements are there. So you can see they're pretty amazing clip art files are there, and you can get it at just $1. These are again the fonts. Let me just scroll down. Melina, Woolen. So these are kind of like a fonts. This one is a big bundle. You're gonna get 56 designs included at just $1. You can get this design, and you can use it for also for your KDP book cover. That is Halloween, and I think this deal is quite amazing. You can get at $1 a lot many stuffs at just $1. Like each pack only costs $1. This one is $1. Whichever one you like, you can get it. And the upcoming discount deals, the same as the upcoming discount deals. You can get the 40 Christmas wine bundles, the 40 design. If I'm just click over here, because so you can see guys, these kind of designs, 40 designs you are getting at just $1. And these are quite detailed design. You can use it each one and just alter them. Don't use as it is. Make sure you check out the Creative Fabrica license before downloading anything from their website, so that you don't violate their license and don't land into the copyright or trademark issues. Okay guys, and you're gonna see that you can alter these designs, and you can use it for your print on demand designs. It's a really amazing deal at just $1, 40 designs. So I think that these deals in this month of July are pretty amazing. I feel like I would purchase a lot many things from it, even though I make art and designs by myself. But when I see something quite beautiful, quite attractive, and pretty amazing deal, I anyhow get it. So these are the fonts. 7 PNG images set. Watercolor baby penguins bundle, gender neutral. Arctic baby birds include 5 images of penguins in separate PNG files and 2 snowflakes. This is so cute, guys. You're getting 5 cute penguins and 2 snowflakes at just $1. And I think that penguin, it really looks amazing if you just get this bundle, get this file image of 7 PNG files, and use this one single penguin with a beautiful coat or with something more alter in the background, and use it for your print on demand design. It looked quite amazing, even on the sticker, even on the t-shirt as well, because these are really super cute. So I think that these deals are pretty amazing, guys. I'm going to leave the link of the Creative Fabrica in the description box below. Check out these deals, because I think they'll be only there in this July, because July is specifically amazing month for the Creative Fabrica, because they have the huge Christmas in July. And where you will get this free deal of the free craft bundle, 20 craft bundle completely free. Click over to this and get this free deal, guys. I think it will be only applicable for few days, so get it right now. Today's video, guys, I hope you really enjoy these deals, and I think I do really enjoy it. I'm gonna purchase this one. That's a super cute penguin, because I really love this one. I'm gonna purchase this one. I will gonna see more and get it some for myself as well, guys, and I'm gonna leave the link for you if you want to get it for yours. Thank you so much for tuning in. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below, have you ever purchased anything from the Creative Fabrica? Did you like the quality of the graphics or quality of the work or illustrations from this website or not? Because I love Creative Fabrica. I'm selling on it as well, and I'm purchasing the graphics from the Creative Fabrica as well at times, because if I love some graphics, I immediately purchase them. And designs, I'm a seller as well, and I'm a buyer as well, so I love the Creative Fabrica. So do let me know in the comment section below, did you like the quality of the Creative Fabrica work? Like the people who are selling onto the Creative Fabrica, did you like their work? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.